Everyone talks about mindfulness like it's the secret to happiness. But what actually is it? Is it just meditation, a vibe, a buzzword people throw around on podcasts? Here's the truth. Mindfulness isn't about sitting in silence or clearing your mind. It's way simpler and more powerful than that. In the next 2 minutes, you'll understand what mindfulness really means, why your brain actually craves it, and how to start doing it today without changing your life. It's not some guru-level superpower. It's something your mind already knows how to do. You just forgot. Mindfulness means paying attention on purpose to the present moment. That's it. No incense, no lotus pose. Just being here fully, without judging what's happening. Think about how often your mind wanders. You're eating, but you're scrolling. You're walking, but you're thinking about emails. Your body is present, but your mind is anywhere else. Mindfulness brings those two back together. It's like turning off autopilot. Imagine you're drinking coffee. Mindfulness is noticing the warmth, the smell, the taste, without reaching for your phone. It's not about thinking nothing. It's about noticing what is without overanalyzing it. Science calls this meta-awareness. You're observing your thoughts, not drowning in them. You start to notice, oh, I'm getting anxious instead of becoming the anxiety. That tiny shift, it changes everything. And it's not just for monks or yogis. You can practice mindfulness brushing your teeth, standing in line, listening to someone without rehearsing your reply. It's a skill, and like any skill, it grows with practice. Mindfulness isn't just a trend, it's a cheat code for your brain. Studies show that regular mindfulness practice can lower stress, reduce anxiety, improve focus, and even help with chronic pain. But beyond the science, here's what it feels like. You stop reacting. You start responding. Instead of snapping at your partner or spiraling after a bad day, you notice what's happening as it's happening, and you give yourself a pause. That pause, it's power. Mindfulness strengthens the part of your brain that handles emotional regulation, your prefrontal cortex, and cools down the amygdala, the part responsible for fight or flight. So with practice, you literally rewire your brain to be calmer, more focused, and more emotionally resilient. And it works in real life. When you're stuck in traffic and your blood's boiling, mindfulness can help you breathe. When you're overthinking at 2 a.m., mindfulness can help you let go. When you're overwhelmed, mindfulness helps you zoom out just enough to not be consumed. It doesn't fix everything, but it changes how you show up. You become more aware, more grounded, and way less controlled by every thought or emotion that comes and goes. Want to try mindfulness right now? Pause wherever you are and take one deep breath. Feel the air go in, feel it leave. That's mindfulness. You don't need an app. You don't need 20 minutes. Just take 10 seconds and notice something. Your breath, a sound, your feet on the ground. That's the practice, noticing and coming back. Your mind will wander, let it, then return. That's the rep, that's the growth. Try it once today, then again tomorrow, and watch how different your day starts to feel. Mindfulness isn't a moment, it's a muscle.